The Aero Wedge Pack boasts aerodynamic styling with 4 different sizes depending on how much you choose to carry. The Wedge Packs are available on both a strap and quick-click mounting system. The expandable zip helps carry a few more things for those longer adventures, along with an additional inner bag to separate storage. For more visibility, Topeak's iGlow system offers an Aero Wedge option to illuminate you. The Wedge Pack uses LED lights for safety at night and in low visibility conditions.